And it doesn't matter if you're making blades, tools. And the closer you get to a smaller piece, the faster it's going to go on. Alright, okay.
No sweat.
So the point is one of the first things you're going to learn to make.
That's fine.
Or you're going to learn to make it longer. Most people who make it will eventually make it quite a bit longer anyway. We do not remove metal. We move metal. So you're not actually losing anything like you would in a file with a hard grinder. So whatever we did, we just made that longer. If you're working on a blade, you see how that blade is curving? That's because this edge is being drawn out. That's nice and thick. You're drawing the metal out, making it longer. Which means the backside has to turn away from it. So if you're making a blade and you want it straight, you have to bend it the other way to begin with. What are you trying to make?
Drop spindle.
Oh, okay. They're not that hard.
No.
When you're working on a more intense joint, we'll go over to my drawing board.